Here are 7 things we found at Bidding Kings and the deets you need to know about this shop. Bidding Kings is a local online bidding platform with the latest items in any category. The warehouse is located in Hoover, Alabama, and it offers local pickup. The merchandise in the warehouse changes weekly, so you can always expect new things. And not only are they priced very well, but every item goes through a quality check, and the condition is listed in the details of the item. Download the app or go to biddingkings.com to register. Choose the closest lot to you, then shop around and bid away. Have you shopped on Bidding Kings? Stitch this video with what you got.